They're coming towards A
Top
from
to bottom.
C.
So when do I get to hit them with hammers?
Whenever you're ready, just hammer the shit out of them. Just make sure that you try to get more than one or two of them.
They're pushing B.
Yeah, they are. We're
problem.
tapping C with Blueberry.
Oh hell no.
My super is almost ready.
No.
They're on A now.
They're at A.
Look at them. They done
Take your
got all
super to A.
these. One. Oh, what? Oh, I got two of them.
Oh my god, I just fat fingered that. Fuck me.
Take an A. They're on B again, guys.
Man, why is it taking so long to get out?
Alright, we still got B. Come around the corner.
They're taking B.
Hammer Titan. The guy's fighting fire with fire, literally. They were taking. Oh, now they're back on B.
They're heading back to A.
Oh, come on. What the hell gun is he using?
They're still at A.
Oh,
Captain B back.
Oh, he's using universal remote.
Yes, he is. He's getting a lot of kills with that universal remote. Alright, let's go outside heavy, shall we? Probably all there now.
Go get this heavy. Man, that's the second time I tried to get that heavy and I can't get it now.
Yeah, I hit him with a grenade, but I guess it just wasn't
I
enough.
killed him though.
The bearded wonder is not here.
Not yet.
I guess that means that.
I'm in the party.
So clearly I'm gonna have to get my universal remote. Sorry.
They still got heavy.
Getting real spicy. Thanks for the ammo.
It's a pretty close game. We just gotta take the lead here.
Oh my god.
Sweet. It'd be really great if you ran out of machine gun ammo.
That guy has like Titan fisted me like 6 times. Just me.
Why I'm playing like crap right now.
Yeah, I need to warm up. I'm playing like shit too.
Yeah, this is my first game of the day. It usually takes a minute.
Nope, he's dead.
Alright. They're on A. Coming from the back.
So he hits me, but I hit him, and he doesn't die. Okay, now he's dead.
What? Oh, he golden gun.
I just murked him while he had golden gun up.
Captain C. Oh. Universal remote again. Jesus, that gun is terrible. I mean, like awesome terrible, but terrible.
Oh, I'm about to die. Here he comes. The back way, the back way. There he is. I got him. They're getting B.
He's on B.
I'm going to get
Oh, good
C
job.
then.
Good job, Seminole. Can always count on you,
Nope,
buddy.
there they go. I'm gonna need some help at C, or I'm gonna just get them to come over here. I'm out.
God, how did he get out of nowhere? Just sneak up behind me. Good job with those orbs, though.
Fuck.
Oh
in the
no,
back
I'm not gonna
today.
get no heavy again. No.
Oh, I got it and then I died.
Where are they at? You guys know? I just heard hammers. Is that us?
Come on, man.
God.
Yeah.
Oh, we won.
Strangely enough, we did win. Aw, you're gonna shoot me after the game. Aw. I'm sorry your butt got hurt. Poor guy. With his hurt butt and everything.
Damn,
Well, I did
Seminole.
okay. I got 16.
It's not
Oh,
good.
man.
It shouldn't burn.
You're Hammer Titan. You're supposed to piss excellence. Excellence in fire. That's what you're supposed to be doing.
snort magazines and piss fire hammers.
That's what I call a good day.
Why do the pages of my Swank magazine stick together?
Because you don't know how to clean up properly.
Maybe you have terrible aim. Widow's Court.
You're not supposed to put that on the binding. Yeah. Anyway.
Look at that. At least we. Oh, Matt. Wait, Beards.
What?
Is that you in the back with the wrong shader?
I'm in Undercity. I was
What are
told
you-
that's what we were supposed to be in.
Chester Apogee. Undercity wasn't.
I was told
What?
you guys were bringing all warlocks. I don't know what you guys are doing. You guys are all wrong.
When did it switch to Apogee? I actually don't have it on me.
Because she stopped selling it.
Yeah.
Oh.
The day that it was posted, it was the last day she sold it, and next day it was something different. So
Yeah, we're all in Apogee.
That's terrible. That's like
Yeah,
my
'cause
favorite
I wouldn't have been
shader.
able to. I wouldn't have been able to do it because I didn't get it.
Yeah. Space grenade.
Oh really? You're killing me
Oh, I
with
see you,
this today.
sniper. Good eye, sniper.
Boosted Sonata took me out, but I took him with me. Going to be.
Damn, he's up there.
Titan coming into B. Look out.
Got him.
Yep, that guy.
Hey.
Yep. There's a
Yeah.
Hunter and Titan on B. They're defending. Looks like the Hunter is going to be going to C.
Let's
I
see him
got
try.
him. I got the one at A.
Right on.
Alright.
I'm in C. I'm going to head
So are we
to
gonna defend A and C, or do you want to defend A and B?
I like A and C, but I'm down for whatever you guys want to do.
A. They're going to be coming in right now.
Oh shit. I got him. Oh, I thought I had him.
Nice, good job, Beards.
Got him.
I bounced that one off the ground.
He's
See that?
he's on the
He's
perch.
Oh, yes, he is.
Boosted Sonata.
Hunter coming
They're
in.
coming into C right
On
now.
C.
Opportunity cap on B.
Yeah, Captain
Got
B as
one.
well.
Fucking snipers. God damn it.
Coming in, coming in.
Well, they're coming in.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Over top.
Yep, that was a grenade. What? He literally came out of nowhere. Like, not even partially, like, legitimately.
He's magic.
Oh
No.
wow, how am I still alive?
Get him, Moldy. Good job. Just chase him down.
No, I'm not gonna get the cap. I want the cap. Grenade.
I shot him.
Yep. The douchey guy.
I got him. Oh, he killed me.
Yeah, that was a melee exchange.
They're capping A. That's all.
They're capping A.
Go to A.
It's okay.
I'm in C. Oh, Jesus,
C.
they're all over C. All over it.
Alright,
Yeah, they're gonna be coming in right now.
we're on C. They're on A. I'm gonna pop my super on them. Where are they going? C?
Wow, come on. Every single time? Is this how it's gonna go when I want heavy ammo?
Looks like they're between C and
Oh,
A.
that douchey guy.
They're spreading out.
There you go. They are
We're
on
taking
C.
C.
Getting to C.
Yeah, I'm gonna help with C.
And there we go again. Okay.
What was? How did he hit me with a rocket from around the corner?
Rocket, yeah. He hit me with a rocket around the corner too. It's Truth,
Yeah.
I think. God, they're taking them all.
Yep.
I'm trying to play this in a good way.
Golden gun on
Killing
B.
it.
It's gone.
He's down.
Oh, Jesus.
Capped B.
That guy
That
is
grenade
still...
really sucks.
What does he have? H something.
They're
looks
all
like.
over the
Must
place.
be the raid rocket.
Alright, I'm going back to
What a
auto.
waste of a super.
I'm on A.
Here it comes.
There. Yep.
I don't know what you're talking about. The golden gun?
God damn it.
Headed to
Where the
C.
hell did he go?
I took out 4
Good job.
at B, but they got it anyways.
They're coming in on...
They're coming in C.
Oh wow.
Yep.
Yeah, they got me at C. Alright,
Yep.
almost fine.
But they're all pouring into C right now. So these guys
I'm
are pretty
going
well
back to
organized.
Alright, Captain B then.
Yep. Nope, they're in B right now.
One.
The snipes. Douchey guy behind you.
Your
On
little
A.
sun spot don't hurt me. They're at A.
I'm hammers up.
Take it to A. Take it to A.
Yep.
They're Captain B now too.
Fuck, man. Behind you.
Seminole, he's right there. Just one.
No way. Somehow managed. There's a Titan still inside A. Or B.
I got it.
No, they're taking
dying.
B already.
Yeah, it's a warlock. And he's been there for a minute.
Oh wow, didn't see that coming.
Another one coming in.
Yep,
Careful.
got him down. Another one.
Blade Dancer.
Hunter.
He's blade dancing.
Yep.
Oh, he's glitching too, by
where'd
the
he
way,
go?
in case you're wondering.
Seriously?
Wow, come on. Oh, looks like they got
behind
both
Llama.
heavies in.
I'm behind you, Llama.
Come in the back of C, guys.
Behind us.
Yep.
In front as
I
well.
ate one for the team.
All he does, they're coming from both sides.
Golden gun.
Wow.
Just two. Yep.
Wow, I'm about to die.
They just start flanking.
Yep, nope, they're just running around in circles now, trying to hold on to them.
What?
Holy shit. Snipe at
Sniper.
one guy and the other guy across the map gets you.
Yep.
Alright, good job on B. Keep capping at C. I'm gonna come help if I can.
Look at it.
Capping.
This is just the only map I hate out of this whole entire game.
Yeah, I got a post-mortem with a scout rifle. Okay. Like, there was a hunter
I
on
can't
A.
punch them with anything else. Okay.
Yep.
Outside left. There he is.
Really?
Backside.
Oh, man.
What the fuck is happening?
I can't even find them right now. I'm just running around like this is it.
As long as we keep those two, we're doing alright. There's a hunter on
Game's
A.
over, you guys.
Oh hell.
I'm getting better with the Titan though. I feel like if I would have changed my loadout from my Hunter over, that I may have done a better job.
That would be why she didn't go to jail and she just got fired.
Right.
Whoa.
Oh boy.
0 to 100 in like no time.
Did you?
Hey guys, let's cap C.
burp?
No way.
You burnt.
Going for B, Seminole? Watch it.
Oop.
Coming up, coming
God
up.
damn, dude. The last word.
Oh, that guy's lagging like a mother. Thank you.
Thanks, Mida Multi-Tool.
What about me?
Not you. Oh, he took me
Old
down.
Drippy.
What? I just shot a guy and he got back up.
Yeah. It's called a war.
Stupid Sunslinger Warlocks.
No, he was a Titan.
Oh.
Stupid
Sunslinger
Sunslinger Warlock
Titan.
Titans.
Hmm.
One more in the back.
Old Drippy is above B.
Behind you, Sneak.
Yeah, I tried to get him with my
I'm
thingy-bob
right with you,
fusion
Seminole.
rifle, but it's not as fast as I would hope. Try a sidearm.
He got electrocuted.
Where we at? I'm gonna go help
Shotgun
him sneak, 'cause
facials
someone's
is
taking it.
looking really glitchy. Like every time he changes direction, I see him like pop over at least twice.
Yeah, he just teleported for me too.
Yeah,
No,
which
he's
is
the
it?
one I shot in the face and then he got back
Shotgun
up.
facials. That's the one that I was saying was glitching
Yeah.
earlier. Let's all report that asshole. Okay. I did. I feel more.
Oh, I think I found him. Yeah. They all went in the hallway above B.
Yeah.
Look out,
He
Sneak.
just
Look
teleported
out,
in
Sneak.
front of me and I died in one.
Yeah. Shotgun facials is seriously
Right there,
got
there you
not cool stuff going
Trust
on.
him enough.
Oh, they're coming around.
The mountain.
Old Drippy and another Titan are coming around to C in the right side hallway.
Heard. They're taking B right now as well.
Can have it right there.
I just shot Old Drippy in the face 4 times and nothing
Wow,
happened.
He just teleported again.
Right? Right there, Sneak.
Yeah, I got him a few times too, but he's actually taking damage from me.
Right.
Yay, I got heavy ammo for him.
I like how I keep respawning with this jackass. That's fun.
Fuck. Blade Dancer and B. Yeah.
He got me, but I got him.
Did you get that, Drippy?
Shotgun facials. Yep, he shoots you once and you go down.
It's because he is closer than you think he is, and
Right? You're not seeing him from where he actually is.
yeah, like he's definitely like way glitching. I'm gonna report him again.
They're all above us right now. Yep.
Lovely.
Yep. Right side Seminole. Yeah. Diddler 911. Oh man.
I got him.
It's tickle fingers.
Whoa, who's
They're taking C right now too.
Coming up top, coming up top. There they are, going towards the shotgun facials, of course it is.
Yep.
And by the time I look at him, he shot me a few times already.
Just a panic. Lao Pro? What's a Lao? I know about Laos, which is a
Shotgun
country.
facials.
You're a country.
Ah, thank you. I've been trying.
He's on B, you guys.
Ooh, facials.
Oh, shotgun
Oh my
facials.
God,
Thanks
I
for
can't
teleporting
shoot
out of my
this guy.
grenade.
Yeah,
Yeah, he
he's on B.
teleported out of my grenade too.
Now 4 dogs did it.
The Drizzle 86. I'm sad that we were born in the same year.
Oh shit, shotgun facials. Someone killed him. Good job,
Yeah.
man-made. He actually died. Look at all those sunspots.
Right?
Oh, shit.
They're on
Yeah,
C.
'cause I wasn't gonna
They're
stop
on
shooting.
C.
We're gonna go to A then.
I just took them
shotgun
out.
facials. Just shotgun facials.
Damn, he got me this time. I got
They're coming in
Titans
to
for
see.
him.
They're
How do I
coming in
get
to see
Titan
from
Slam
above.
when he's not near me?
Because lag.
Yep. Because fun lag.
Me and this other guy are chasing each other around in a circle.
Did you touch his
Instead
butt?
of fun. Yeah, never mind. He dead now.
That's why, because you touched his
Yeah.
butt.
No, I don't touch butts.
Not with the hands anyway.
Yeah.
I have
That was a sick
hands.
grenade.
Wait for me.
Let's
Wait
take
for
A.
me. Okay,
How was he
multi-bread,
getting
take it.
D?
Grab it. Grab it. One more. Hang on.
Yeah.
He's coming. He's coming. He backed up. He's in the little room. Shotgun facials too. So
Oh my god,
Yep.
this feck.
I'm there with you. I'm right behind you, Sneak.
there's all three of them back there. You got a hammer.
Yep.
Take care of it.
Bam. Old Drippy coming in.
Heard. What?
Yep. Old Drippy.
Just didn't. They're all right there by my ghost. If you guys want to hammer them or something.
Old Drippy, we've got right side hallway in force coming to C. It looks like they're going through the middle, through above B.
What the fuck?
Yep.
Alright, I have hammers. Where the fuck are they? They're on A.
I don't see him anywhere. Yep. Shotgun facials did not take damage at all.
I've gotten lucky and killed him like once, but the rest of it's been pretty stupid.
Right. We've got Diddler.
Yeah, Drizzle's up there. He's sniping. He's by B.
Ooh. They're coming in to see.
Yeah, they're coming in to see from my ghost.
Yep. Diddler is in C right now. He is DOT'd, so he is
Oh my
hurting.
God.
What? I got spawned and the Drizzle no-scoped me from around a corner.
Yeah, same thing happened to me.
How are they just randomly suddenly getting great shit?
Whoa, we about to lose all 3 points?
Nah.
On my house. Okay, they got tickle fingers on B, guys.
Nope.
They're above A as well.
This belongs to me.
Or above, what's it?
Get them all. Get them all on B.
Oh, I'm gonna blinker.
You're dead. You're dead.
Nice.
They're right behind me. Right behind me. They're coming in.
You're dead. Oh my god, did this dude just really run through my Titan hammer?
No, sir.
Fuck you, shotgun. You're gonna get teabagged, but oh, you're so lucky. You're so lucky I didn't make it to you before they stopped me. Lag.
Yeah, I had him pinned back in a corner, and every time I'd hit him, he'd jump like 5 feet to the side, and I just couldn't hit him at all.
Yeah.
Pissed me off.
Because I went to Walmart.
I went to Walmart recently. It was standardly disappointing.
Isn't it always?
Yeah.
I think that's an issue with expectations more than anything else. It's not Walmart's
Right.
fault. They attract
No.
slack-jawed yokels that happen to catch the seed of a passing trucker at a Waffle House and reproduce.
So you're talking about my family, huh?
Are you alright? You made that one go on for a little while, and it seemed like you were breathing kind of heavy from the exertion.
Talking about your family?
Nye, called in Florida. They picked up like platinum. They
Interesting.
Did you say you're from Florida? No.
Your audio is breaking up bad.
Yeah, it's kicking out for me.
Type it in the chat on Twitch. Go on Twitch.
I said
And then type it in the chat.
I will never go to Twitch again.
Oh.
Well, you're on it right now, so you just deal with that.
Oh, I've been on Twitch on other games, but I'm permanently scarred.
Oh.
Goat Simulator?
Goat Simulator.
I mean, you said you were scarred. I was guessing.
Look, dude, they were throwing goat pussy at me while I was in Afghanistan. If I wanted it, I would have taken it.
So you're telling me you are gay
There's a chance.
and you want to date me?
There's a chance. God damn it. Oh dear.
No, it's mine. You don't have to tell me how to live my life. Hey, there's like a bunch of swinging dicks on the other side of that fuel tank or wherever that is. Yep, he found out.
Yeah.
Ow.
Good Lord.
Yeah, they're coming in.
I got one of them.
There we go.
I got two,
I want to
Three,
cap C.
actually. technically.
Sexually.
Sexually. Oh, coming in from the hallway.
Okay. Oh, God, I'm getting electrocuted. Oh, fuck.
Piss me off now.
Yep,
I did that
they're
for
all
you.
over us. All
There's one guy
over.
up there. Ramos.
What the fuck, Beardsmith? I went out there and I martyred myself for you.
Goodbye, old Drippy.
Hey man, I didn't ask for martyrs. I asked for Mars bars.
Mars bars. I can see where the
Yeah,
confusion
they're
came
delicious.
Zone C neutralized. Enemy captured Zone B.
in. I'm going
Waiting for
around
somebody
the
talking
outside.
about turning down goat pussy. I'm surprised that you would be so willing to martyr yourself for raisins.
That was the martyr, dude. I was like, you guys can have it. I'll be alright. I'm gonna jerk off in the porta potty. The porta potty that hasn't been changed, and since it's cold out, there's a good chance that you might get sodomized by a frozen turd that's popping out of the seat.
Hey man, always check for the poopsicle.
There's nothing like more intimate than getting sodomized by a, you know, a stranger's frozen turd.
Zone C lost.
It happens.
I think it would be a little more intimate if it was someone you know's frozen turd.
Giving you an Alaskan pipeline. That's a thing. Look it up.
No thanks. Not that I don't believe you that it's a thing.
They're
I
on
just don't wanna look
B.
it up.
They're sniping on B.
Yeah, they're
Somebody's
hitting hard in
sniping on
that
B.
hallway.
Yeah. What?
Zone C neutralized.
Yeah, they're in one giant pile. Hello, Mr. Sniper. Taste my bad juju. Ah, no, he sniped me.
Aw,
Hey, Mr. Standing on A.
that sounded really good until you got shot in the face.
Stop standing on A.
How about to tickle
Yeah,
these guys with my
every
fingers here?
time I just get sniped.
What? I'm working towards B, trying to put pressure on them. I'm at the heavy on
at the
A
heavy.
side.
Okay.
Oh,
Well,
oh,
This B
What about it?
Take it now, take it now.
Let's get it.
Alright.
Here they come.
Watch that corner. Watch that
Now
corner.
I'm going to eat them up. You go first.
You'll hear the lamentation
Sniped.
of their women.
Zach
Yeah, it's pretty
McCracken.
sweet. Pretty sweet.
He quick scoped me.
You're dead.
Is he still over
You're
there?
dead.
Where are they at? Like, oh, they're at sea.
Yeah.
That answered my question.
I think it's kind of horseshit that
You're
didn't kill him.
dead. Wow, then this dude just magically snuck up on me and killed me.
Exo Materia is coming around the corner on B. He's on B. He's taking B.
Got him. You're
Nice.
dead. I threw a grenade off the wall.
No, he's taking B. Like right now.
Just one?
No, not just one.
We're getting A.
Yeah, put sunspots everywhere, but
I'll
nobody's
take C.
dying somehow.
I'll go
Like,
get
Get him 7-0.
Zone C captured.
here they come. So we have C.
Zone B.
Let's
Cabin
get A.
Yep.
Yep. They are not far behind us.
Well, they're all on A. If you guys have a super, take it there.
Yep. I love how melees just seem to not do a fucking thing.
Captured Zone
But they can shoot you from a shotgun like 30 feet away.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit laggy. What about you guys?
They're on B.
Yeah, I am a little bit.
I feel myself kind of jumping around a little bit.
I think we'll
I'm seeing people just appear out of nowhere now.
re-instance. Yeah. After this
B-
match, we'll go back to
Yeah,
Orbital.
fuck super laggy. This is
Yeah. The lag is pretty bad. Like, we're not up by much.
They're all headed to C right now. All of them headed to C.
Well, not all of them.
Well, I mean, I saw 4 jump across the bridge.
Well,
Yeah, there's a whole bunch that just came in.
Zone A neutralized. Enemy captured Zone C.
they're coming back.
You're falling behind. Zone
Yep.
A secure.
Oh, you just pushed me. They're running. Oh, they're going to get heavy.
Going to B, yeah, they're on B side.
In the lead.
oh my god.
Hurry
Like,
up, here they come.
Heavy ammo available.
Taking C.
The lead. Zone B.
Drop
We
one
took
C.
B.
Oh, they're hammers.
He did.
I had hammers.
He's behind. I got him.
One more guy, one more guy. Old
Oh, they
Drippy.
got me.
I got Drippy.
One sniping.
when you lag in this game, does it feel like your controller has a mind of its own?
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
Okay. So you'll like quickly turn and make an exact turn or something like.
I don't see.
How
you
did he
having
get behind
problems.
me? They're taking A. Or they're taking C, pardon me. Just take
Alright.
B.
I'm gonna wait for him to come to A, and then I'm gonna get him.
Here we go.
Alright, C's capped.
Oh, hard scopes. Right around the corner. Zach McCracken. He's doing a lot of
got
hard
my,
scoping.
Got my prostate massagers ready.
They're taking B.
You were saying they're not taking anything.
Right on.
They're taking shit.
Basically.
Get kills.
That's all I'm doing. Stormcaller, die. Oh, he's still alive.
Aw.
He's got low energy.
Get him,
though.
Beards.
Got one. Look at they're on C. And taking B. They're split.
Hey, why was Ex Materia impervious to all of my bullets? Can anybody explain that to me?
He's glitching.
I don't know.
Enemy captured zone B.
Impervious to the old juju.
These guys are
Is that year 1 or year 2 Juju?
Year dose.
Oh, well. I don't know what to tell you, man.
a bunch of horseshit.
I don't know why he's running at me.
Ex Maternia is not dying from a thing.
Right, okay,
Yeah.
right?
So, like-
Because I put like a half a mag worth of criticals into his head and then he didn't...
I hit him with 2 hammers.
Okay.
Nothing happened. The third one killed him. It took a little bit, that's all.
Damn, 20 again?
There you go.
My chat's also empty. But I just got here.
Oh.
Again. They shouldn't have been playing in the drawer.
Fuck sparrow racing. You should have like dog fighting with your ships.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get that actually.
Because otherwise, what's the point other than cosmetic things that you're gonna see 1/10 of the time that you're playing the game?
Okay, you rarely see your own ship. If you like spawn into the tower and you're really fast, you run down to the hangar, then you can see it like fly in and get stored. But
Yeah, it's like
that's basically it.
sweet ship, see it in an hour.
Oh, same map. Okay, go straight to C. No, they're on C. Damn it. Slow down.
I'm
slow
behind
down.
Seminole going to B.
Slow down.
Ah! Man, that guy's recovery is so fast.
You're falling behind. Zone B secure. Gains the lead.
Taking A. Not anymore. They're not. Oh.
Zone C secure. Control all zones.
What?
Captain B.
There it be. Yeah.
Captured zone B.
They're all at B. So they're all sticking together? No, they're not. Not all of them. Some were at C. Looks like maybe 2 or 3. It's capping pretty quick.
Enemy captured
Red Death on top, guys. There you go. He's down and coming around the left side.
Yep. There's 2 at least, and possibly 3 in C right now, coming across the bridge to A.
zone B secure. Zone C neutralized.
Jesus.
Zone C
Nacho.
secure. All zones held.
Nice.
Total control.
Took 2 melees to kill that guy.
C lost.
Maybe you should
There's no
let's
radar.
wait some more.
There's no radar. It's killer.
Yeah. You just walk up into shit like you don't even know what's happening.
Thanks, Axion bolts. I've got the most diabetic Axion bolts ever. They just pop out and
what
they're like,
happens?
oh man, I'm going to sleep.
If you check the scorecard with no radar, I jump to the top instead of the bottom.
Zone B neutralized.
Oh, except for Seminole. To your right, Seminole. Sliding shotgun hunter dude.
Good work.
Yep. They're capping B.
I got B.
I'm with you on B.
Enemy captured zone C.
Ooh, one behind me.
I'm behind.
Oh, what in the world? He was right behind
They're
me.
coming from. They're coming from behind.
Fuck!
Are you kidding me?
What?
I'm
Boy,
just
this is
not. I'm
hilarious.
just not doing a good job with this Titan. I can't get him to do what I want him to do. I switched
I
over
can't get
to
no damn shotgun ammo.
Hawkmoon.
Zone B.
It's not quite doing anything.
What the fuck killed me?
I don't know.
And like they just walk up on me.
They're on A.
To my radar being down. They're on A right now. 2 of them are.
I already got my modes, so I can pick my shit up next time we go.
Where the hell is the shotgun ammo at?
There's one kind of in the back on the way from A.
They're all
to
going
B.
to C.
What is this, like, we're going in a circle or something?
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, tethered. Tethered.
capping B.
Tethered on B.
Come on, dude. Red Death. Eat a dick.
Red Death is pretty solid for this game mode.
Yeah. I got him.
That's what I'm saying.
He's dead, he's dead.
They're taking A super fast. There's got to be a few of them up there.
I just learned off the fucking.
Oh yeah, they're coming. Yeah, they're coming.
I'm on C.
I'm gonna
Almost
switch to
on
my
C.
treads.
Zone C secure.
One more hit on him. Should do throw a grenade and you'll hit him.
Yep. Had to work with that guy and hammers.
Yeah, that's okay though.
Yep.
Left side. Hammers
They're on C?
C. Hammers on C, guys.
Burn him. Look at those.
Got Robbie Drider.
5 minutes left.
There's quite a few of them on C, actually.
Oh, good. Who's got hard light? Oh, Moldy.
Yep.
Enemy captured zone B.
Hard light.
Damn.
Alright, cap that C.
Going
Get
for
out of
B.
here.
Whoa.
What the fuck hit me?
Capping B.
Enemy captured
Nope.
zone
Never mind. Everybody ran away from B and I got destroyed.
Oh, I was trying to hold them off.
Yeah, there are 3 that spawned in behind.
Got him.
Yep.
Oh, he's up top. He got me.
Yep.
Enemy captured zone B.
I say we all just take a partner and run with him. That way it'll be easier.
I'm on A. If anybody wants to help out.
I'm
What
on
the fuck?
B with llamas. Yeah.
2 guys
We've
on
got a
B.
pulse rifle coming into B over top the crate. They're right on top of you
Oh,
guys.
he got me. He just jumped in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well,
I
they're
got 'em from
literally
both
just
sides.
Enemy captured
they're sitting off to the side and then running in and destroying us.
Why? I just spawned and I got shot again.
They're on A.
Okay.
Yep, they're in A hallway.
Yeah, we need to just pair up and just do it that way.
I'm going Moldy. Watch out, Moldy. Right ahead. Got him.
Alright, I'm here with Seminole then.
zone A neutralized.
Almost.
Just in the back. Just hanging out on that.
There's at least 3 at C. 4 C. 5th coming down the hallway.
Zone B neutralized. Zone B secure. Victory imminent.
I'm on C.
Holy shit!
Zone C secure. Total control.
We're moving into A.
Enemy
Behind us, behind us, behind us.
Zone A. Enemy captured Zone B.
Yep.
Yep.
Double down.
Ah.
Zone A.
Oh, they're back on.
Oh yeah.
They're back on B.
Behind B.
Zone A.
Behind on B.
Zones controlled.
Nice.
Targets eliminated. Nice work.
God, that jumper acid apogee is so gross.
God, I blew so hard that game.
Yep.
The Revelator. I don't even know what a Revelator is.
It's a hand cannon. It's not bad.
I don't know what a Revelator sounds like. Al Qaeda.
It
It was
does.
good in year 1.
Repent! Repent!
I'm back. I hear Final Fantasy VII.
I said the same thing.
Final
But,
Fantasy record keeper. Mobile.
who's ready for that Final Fantasy VII reboot?
My mic must be really good because my volume on my phone is turned almost all the way down.
No, it's just that that sound is unmistakable, dude.
Right?
Blink, blink, blink. I probably wasted all the time that I could have been, you know, like instigating preteen pregnancies, you know, playing Final Fantasy VII. I could have been responsible for so many potential Walmart customers, but instead I was sitting around trying to beat that thing that sat next to the gold saucer.
You did the right thing. You did the right thing.
I'm not sure I know what you're talking about, but I'll smile and pretend like I do.
What, the thing next to the gold saucer? The ruby weapon or whatever it's called?
I thought it was Emerald.
Maybe.
I believe it was Ruby. I think Emerald was on FF10. Emerald weapon.
He had to fucking chain together Knights of the Council
Emerald
like
was in
endlessly and
7.
kill that thing.
It was in 7, but it wasn't as ridiculously hard as Ruby was on 7.
Oh,
And then they
yeah,
kind of
that's
brought
true.
that homage back in Emerald on 10.
10 wasn't bad. I don't know what everybody bitched about it. I mean, it was your
I
first
like
PlayStation
10.
2 Final Fantasy.
Dude,
Yeah.
I had so much fun playing that game and the sub game in it, like that water, like sphere ball or that
Blitzball?
underwater,
Yeah, and the
like
chocobo
soccer
racing.
ball shit going on. Oh,
Yeah.
Are we at the same place?
I
again?
enjoyed Blitzball.
Right there we go. Blitzball.
I swear to
That
God,
was
the
a lot
Game
of
had a
fun.
solid
map.
story. Plus Lulu had sweet tits. It really got me into goth chicks.
I just liked her outfit, all the buckles and everything.
That's what I'm saying, dude. She shopped at Hot Topic in the future.
Man, I gotta figure out how to get 12 kills in there.
Do it.
Or
Oh dear. Oh dear.
behind us, behind us.
Yeah.
I got him.
So I hit him with a melee, and my grenade exploded by him, but he didn't die.
You just gotta
It
learn
was
to,
not strong
you know,
enough.
throw sticky grenades.
I do.
Sticky grenades, huh?
Booch.
Yeah, that's a shotgun.
What the fuck? I saw that.
Shotgun
what the fuck?
melee.
I got shot from the side.
I'm heading toward a swarm of llamas. Alright.
Oh, I'm over here by
Moldy bread, I'm by you on B. Looks like they're coming in from the right.
The other one, C.
Where are they? I got one. I love how it says he's right next to me.
Whoa.
Damn.
First shot to Lesto
serious?
kill, and somehow he took me down. I put 2 rounds on him. Coming to sneak.
I have a Telesto. Should I whip that out?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
might as well.
you just
It
gotta
makes
time it
people
right.
mad.
I haven't leveled it up yet, though.
Invisible
matter?
Hunter.
Still good.
Ah, see like that.
Seminole? I
Post
thought I
mortem.
had them kills.
I was bait for Seminole.
Coming back to you, Sneak.
Oh shit!
They're
They're
running.
on. They're all over B.
Ooh. Looks like they're on C as well.
You did.
I say he did.
I tell you, he did.
I got lost in the tunnel.
Oh yeah, I'm getting this.
You don't do it. No balls.
Ah, post-mortem.
Shit,
Man-made coma
behind us?
dances.
Oh god! There's a lot of people there.
Behind us, guys.
They're coming at me.
There you go.
Oh, dude, my Nova, my impotent Nova bomb. I shot it at the stairwell and it fell just short of it and went. Boop.
Yeah,
I'm going-
She got me on reload.
I'm going Lance.
Reloading that Carlo. Nice.
Lance with angry magic sounds good.
I'm on a special.
Oh shit.
Got you.
Busy hunter.
Give me that heavy bitch. Shotgun horror. Oh my god, shotguns, honestly.
You know you love them.
I mean, I have one. I never use it though because I have testicles.
They're coming in. Oh no, yeah.
A shotgun in melee range plus a melee isn't enough to kill the guy? Fuck that.
I know, it's ridiculous, isn't it?
I hit him with a hammer and he still Fist of Panicked. He died after the
Get
Fist
outta
of
here.
Panic, but he still got that off. Like, I can't count how many times I haven't gotten off a Fist of Panic because of hammers.
And then he died.
I just critically use the shotgun.
Reload.
Oh, you
Bubble.
don't get this.
Yep. Watch out the
Yeah,
side
I
of
know.
their swarm. Left.
Oh no, no, no.
Eidolon ally. I think. Or Necrochasm. Not
Oh,
sure.
that guy with his tickle fingers.
Oh man, I want to use mine so bad.
I really hate how inconsistent Warlock grenades are, to be honest with you.
They all
Axion
came
Bolt is
into a... with Swarm. They're behind you there, Swarm. He's jumping
looks
up and down. I hear hammers.
That was mine.
Oh, okay.
Heavy ammo inbound.
Whoa, shit. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, God. Oh,
got
nice.
him.
Saved my ass.
However, I could not have saved you on that one.
Oh, I got shot from behind.
Yep.
Get him. Oh,
How come my
get him.
grenade didn't
Don't
stick
take
to
it
him?
yet. Don't take it yet.
Fucking horseshit.
Coming. He got it.
That's alright, because he dead.
We killed him, though.
Oh, nice teabag.
Wait, who teabagged?
Where's the sportsmanship?
Who teabagged?
I got a grenade off, and it didn't let me throw it.
Well, the victory is imminent. Let me just go ahead and pull out my friend. Four. Wow, come on now.
Oop.
For efforts like that, we might just win this.
Hammer time. Oh, you big baby.
I turned around just in time to see that.
He just like bounced it off my head, man.